Question. A given object taken n times as much time to slide down a 45-degree rough incline as it takes to slide down a perfectly smooth 45-degree incline. The coefficient of kinetic friction between object and the incline is given by. Now here in this case we have two cases to work out. One is perfectly smooth incline, another is rough incline. Let us take first is perfectly smooth incline of 45 degrees. Body starts from rest, u is equal to 0. So mg is acting here vertically downward. The component here will be mg sine theta. So the acceleration without friction will be m into a will be mg sine theta, or a is equal to g sine theta. Theta is given as 45 degrees. So g sine 45 degrees, or g by root 2. Since initial velocity is 0, since the body starts from rest, u is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to half of at square. So in this case, the distance s1 is equal to half of g by root 2. Let me call this time as t1. t1 square. Equation 1. Similarly, let us do for rough incline. Now the surface is rough. So mg acting vertically down. Normal reaction n. This is mg cos theta. This side mg sin theta. Since it's rough surface, friction will be here mu times of n. So with friction, ma is equal to mg sin theta minus mu times of mg cos theta. So the acceleration in this case will be g into sin theta minus mu cos theta. We know theta is 45. So g by root 2 1 minus mu is the acceleration in this case. Since the body starts from rest, s is equal to half at square. So in this case, s2 is equal to half of a into t2 square. So half of g by root 2 to 1 minus mu into t2 square. Let us call this time as t2. What is given to us? Given t2 is equal to n times of t1. Now from first equation and second equation, since distance traveled is same, s1 is equal to s2, what we are going to get? G by root 2 t1 square is equal to g by root 2 1 minus mu into t2 square. Half we have cancelled. So we can get the value of t1 square by t2 square. t1 square by t2 square is equal to 1 minus mu by 1. Rest all is cancelling. And what is t1 by t2 here? t1 by t2 is equal to 1 by n. So this can be written as 1 by n square. So using this relation, what we can get the value of mu? Mu is equal to 1 minus 1 by n square. Correct? So using t1 by t2 is equal to 1 by n, and another t1 square by t2 square is 1 minus mu by 1, and t1 by t2 square is nothing but 1 by n square. So what we are going to get? Mu will be equal to 1 minus 1 by n square. So what will be the correct option? Mu is 1 by 1 minus n square. Mu is 1 minus 1 by n square. Mu is root of 1 by 1 minus n square. Mu is root of 1 minus 1 by n square. So correct option will be 1 minus 1 by n square. Option B is the correct option.